everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we had a repair on Devant 32-inch LED TV. So let's try. Had a standby power. So then we press. Then we notice no picture on the screen. This is the model of our TV. Then the warranty seal is still there. So we are the first one to open this unit. And now we remove the cover. So we can start to check. We do a visual check on our main board. This is the T-con board of our LED TV. And this is the main board. As we can see, we found a Bluetooth capacitor. This one. As we can see, was Bluetooth. And then we check this also, the LED driver circuit. And then we will remove the screws in our main board. So we can start to check on its components. And now we already removed the screws and the wires that connected. So we can start to check. It has a plastic cover at the back against from short circuit. So we will remove this one. Now we are start to cut the capacitor leg and the LED driver section. So we can test this one. and the other components. And now we start to check the diodes in this section. Okay. Okay, all diodes in this section is okay. So we will test the capacitor. So this capacitor is open. We need to replace this one. Even we change the range, this is still open, so need to be replaced. The next we will remove the capacitor, the Bluetooth capacitor that we found in the secondary section. And now we already removed, so we will start to check. So this capacitor is leaky capacitor, need to be replaced. Then we do a check on the backlight. We found this one. Born LED light, one piece only. So we need to replace this one. And now we already replaced. So we will start to try. Okay. When you check all, okay. We already repaired the LED lights or the backlight. Then we check again. Okay. Then we do some cleaning also. So all LED lights now are okay. So we will place back now the parts. Just sorry for my background. We are here service repair. So sorry for the other video that covers the backlight repair, the whole video. To make the story short, or you can visit my other backlight repair on my videos. And now we already replaced the capacitor and the lead driver section, the open capacitor. So we'll cut the excess link. Then we replace the second capacitor, the bloated capacitor, with this one, the new replacement. And now we put back all screw so we can start to test. All defective components have been replaced and repair the backlight. So we'll plug it now. Okay, so we check and press power on. Okay, we are successful to our repair. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you on my next vlog. We're done.